Masseter.
is in the jaw of the cat.
Acromiotrapezius.
Acromiotrapezius is, oh shit, is this flap right here.
Spinotrapezius.
The triangle right here.
Clavotrapezius.
In the neck.
Lumbodorsal fascia.
Right back here on the spine.
Levator scapula.
There's this small one right here.
Rhomboideus.
It's in the center of the scapulates.
Supraspinatus.
It's on the fossa above the spine of the scapula, under the acromiotrapezius.
And infraspinatus.
It's in the infrafossa below the acromiotrapezius.
Clavodeltoid.
Clavodeltoid is on the top of the arm.
Acromiodeltoid.
Right here below that.
Spinodeltoid.
Is right below that.
Subscapularis.
The subscapularis is under the scapula, down in here.